Hi, this cat is called A Strange Trip to the Market. And to cut a long story short, we have to find out if we are dealing with the monster of Loch Ness. And when are we dealing with the monster of Loch Ness? Well, if we find the following words in a sentence: 350, 350, or 350. If we find these words in the string, we are dealing with the monster of Loch Ness, and in all the other cases, we are not dealing with the monster. Let's work to a solution. Here we have an example. As you can see, the string contains the words 350, so we have to return true. We are dealing with the monster of Loch Ness. And the same applies for 350 and 350. How can we find it out? Well, as follows. Let's take a string, this one, 350 for example, and we only have to find out if it is in the string, just like in plain English. So we can print it out and it returns true. The condition is met. So we can make a condition of this. If this condition is met, then we return true. We are dealing with the monster of Loch Ness. And the same we have to do for the other two strings, 350 and this one, 350. Else we return false. We are not dealing with the monster of Loch Ness. So when we take this out, we get false. Okay, works as designed. And as an extra bonus, we can include this in one line. As follows: return 350 in string, or 350 in string, or 350 in string. If this condition is met, it will return true. And if it's not met, it will return false immediately. So let's take this out. False. Okay, let's test it. Attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.